Hey, this is Ryan Jones from Serverless Guru. In the last video, I ranted about a whole bunch of stuff, including price, about cost savings for companies, for serverless developers, why we're so important to companies. And then also, we went through deploying this to multiple stages, as we saw in the console. So let me go look at that real quick. You can see here, we've got this SRA tutorial test, SRA tutorial dev. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna tear it down. So let's go ahead and switch back to our terminal, and we're gonna run SLS Remove --stage test --region US East 2 --profile serverless tutorial -v. And the V is for verbose. It gives us a little bit extra logs, which is important because we want to be able to see as much information as possible as we're making these deployments. And then in the next video, I'm actually going to show how to explore, monitor, and look at these serverless projects for free. So we're going to look at that. So we just removed this. Let's check the AWS console. Okay, it's gone. We deleted it. And then now let's delete the dev one. So let's say SLS. We can just copy the top one. I hit up arrow on the keypad. And then we're going to switch over. And instead of stage test, we're going to change that to dev. So, pause the video, think about that for a second. Why would this matter, right? If, why changing it from test to dev? Like, why are we doing that, right? We're doing that because this is the name of it, right? So we have SRA tutorial, which is the service name, and then we have dev, which is the stage. So when we switch this to say SLS remove --stage dev, we're already inside this folder. So naturally, the serverless CLI, it's going to look for a serverless.yaml file, and then it's going to see our service name, and then it's going to say delete the stage of dev. So if we run that, we should see this start kicking off. If we switch back to the console quickly, hopefully we'll see it tear down. So you can see delete in progress, and there we go, delete complete. So with that, we now have no stacks inside the US East 2 Ohio region. So that's great. And now we're ready to jump into trying to do serverless login to see what type of information the serverless framework is going to give us about our application. So at this point, I'm going to stop the video, and I'll see you in the next one.